Here's the app called UNiDAYS. It's quite popular app which offers some student discounts. It has 132,000 ratings so far. It's pretty high average rating. It's quite high in the charts. It's among 100 apps in the shopping category. Huge savings at the top of the app. 800 plus top brands. Save on fashion, food, beauty, learning and well-being tools and more, online and in store. Join 20 million students around the world who use the student coupon app UNiDAYS to take advantage of amazing student and graduate deals like free shipping, promo codes, coupons, freebies, giveaways, and more to save money and live college life to the max. With UNiDAYS, you can also find expert learning, study, and well-being tools, student discount app and promo codes. There are exclusive student deals and promo codes just a tap away. All you need to do is your college email address to get started. It's that easy. So fashion and accessories, like there are some popular brands here, Adidas, Calvin Klein, whatever, technology, Apple, Samsung, beauty, skincare products, food and drink brands, lifestyle and travel brands, sport brands. So UNiDAYS has a wide range of tools to help boost your learning and personal development. Get exclusive deals on your favorite brands. So yeah, then you can just open up and then you can just join. So just join UNiDAYS with your email address, password, and then you will be able to start it. Otherwise, you can just keep to take a look. There are some nice discounts, like 25% on the Ray-Bans. But then to see all of these deals, you need to sign up. But you need, I guess, to have that, you need to confirm that you are basically a student. And you need to choose the region where you are studying and all of that. So it's not like that you can fake that you're a student and get some discounts like that. Nope, it's not like that. You need to be a student and then try it out.